What's up guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today we're making chiles en vinagre. This is a classic Mexican side dish / condiment, or a banchan is really what I'd call it. This recipe was requested from me, so I thought I'd share it with everyone because it turned out so great and it's really easy to make. As always, the recipe and ingredients will be in the description box below. To get started, you need some veggies. Carrot, onion, chiles, and garlic are traditional, but I've also seen it with cauliflower and other things. Cut your carrot into 1/4 to 1/2 inch rounds. I'm using one medium carrot, but use as much as you like because sometimes the carrot is people's favorite. The garlic you don't have to do anything to, but peel it, and the onion I'm just slicing into strips. For the chiles, you can leave them whole or cut them up. Jalapenos or serranos are traditional in this dish, and since I'm using serranos, which are hotter than jalapenos, I'm slicing them in half and then de-seeding them to get rid of some of the spice. I'm going to be using gloves today because I do not want it all over my hands. Most of the heat in peppers are in the seeds and veins, and though I don't go crazy with it because we like spice in my house, I do think it really helped to make this a lot more palatable because even with removing some of the seeds and veins, these chiles were spicy. In a pot over medium heat, add in a little bit of oil and then the veggies. Stir them around, cooking them for 3 to 5 minutes until your onions just start to soften a little. Then add in your spices. Here I'm adding salt, sugar, oregano, a bay leaf, and a sprig of thyme. Some whole black peppercorns, but if you don't have them, just add in some cracked black pepper, and a pinch of allspice since I didn't have any of the whole allspice. Stir everything together and then add in your vinegar and water. You could use white or apple cider vinegar, whichever you prefer. Keep the heat on medium, put a lid on, and bring it to a boil. Once your chiles are boiling, let them boil for only a minute or two and then turn off the heat. I've seen people boil the veggies for a lot longer, like 15 minutes or so, but I like the veggies to still have a crunch. Place everything into a jar. Glass is perfect for this if you have it. Refrigerate it and then enjoy. Now, let me tell you, for this recipe, you need good ventilation. While I was cooking this, once those chilies went into the pot, and especially once the vinegar went in with it, I was sneezing and sniffling like crazy. So, just be aware. Anyways, it was worth it because these turned out amazing. I didn't want to get my fingers all chilied up, so I used some chopsticks to eat these, which is not traditional. But these go great alongside any Mexican or Spanish food, or put it on a sandwich and it'll take it up 10 notches. These chiles are spicy and pickled, but not too hot, and the carrots are nice and sweet, but also kind of spicy. I love this stuff, and hopefully you will too. It will last in your fridge for about a month, so make a big batch and have it on hand for when you want to add a little pickled kick to your meal. Thanks for cooking with me again, and please subscribe to Sweet or Savory Kitchen for weekly recipes with me. Bye!